Let's talk about Ace's car glass oil film remover. Is it actually worth your money, or just another overhyped cleaner that doesn't live up to the ad? You've probably seen those slick videos online where someone sprays it on a foggy windshield, wipes it once, and boom, crystal clear glass. According to the product claims, it's supposed to break down oil film, clean up road grime, leave no streaks, and even improve visibility. Just spray, wipe, and go. Pretty bold promises for a little bottle. So, I went looking for what real people are saying, and opinions are all over the place. Some folks say it worked like magic and gave them the clearest windshield they've seen in months. That's promising. But others said it didn't do much of anything. A few said it felt like they were just spreading the gunk around instead of removing it. One even said it left a bit of residue they had to clean off with something else. One thing that stood out: it's not very strong. If you're hoping for a full-on glass transformation, this probably won't cut it. You might have better luck with a more heavy-duty automotive glass polish, especially if you've got layers of baked-on residue or road oil. So it's scam? Ace's oil film remover isn't a scam. It does something. But it's more like a light cleaner than a deep restorer. If your glass is already in decent shape, and you just want a quick touch-up, it might do the trick. But if you're trying to fix years of grime, don't expect it to work miracles. You'll need to bring out the big guns, or maybe even call in a pro.